this video, I will show you how to open a Stripe Atlas account. So to do this, you can first just head over to stripe.com and then here go products, and then from here you want to go to Stripe Atlas, which you can find under more right here, and then click on Atlas, and then you can start your incorporation in the United States. So now from here click on start your company, and it's actually pretty simple to get started. Now I already have a Stripe account, so I'll just enter the same email address for that right here. But you can also use a different one, or if you don't have a Stripe account yet, then you can just go and create one by entering your details here. Now you can choose to get emails from Stripe, but I'll just not do that and click create account. That will take you to the Stripe Atlas onboarding. So now you can just save your login information so that you can log in faster. And now an email will be sent to your email address, so just click open Gmail and then it will open it up for you. So then you will get an email like this that says verify your email to use Stripe Atlas, so click on the verify email button right there. After doing that, you will see the steps right here. So this is everything you need to do. So just going to click let's go and then follow all of these steps. First choose what kind of business you want. LLC is very popular, and just going to follow all of these steps. Now I won't do this right now, but now we have created your Stripe Atlas account. And you can see right now I am inside of my Stripe Atlas account, although I still need to follow these steps. But now you know how you can open your Stripe Atlas account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.